Hello everyone, my name is Nidula Senath. Today I am proud to present my project, the Smart Fish Finder. It is an AI co-pilot made for Sri Lankan fishermen. It helps them catch more fish, save fuel, and stay safe. First, I will walk you through my machine learning code. Then, I will show you the mobile app prototype. Here is my Python backend. In cells 1 and 2, I import my tools like pandas and scikit-learn and upload our Sri Lankan weather dataset. In cells 3 and 4, I load and clean the data. I only keep the important columns that affect fishing like temperature, rain, and wind speed. Cell 5 is the core logic. I built a custom fishing score that adds points for safe weather and subtract points for bad weather. In cell 6, I convert that score into simple labels like low, medium, or high probability. In cells 7 and 8, I prepare the data. I split it 80% to train the AI and 20% to test it. Cell 9 is the brain. I use a random forest model to learn the weather patterns. Cell 10 shows a graph of which weather feature matter most. And cell 11 brings out our final accuracy score, showing the model is highly reliable. In cells 12 and 13, I do a quick manual test for Colombo. The AI predicts a high fishing condition and shows its high confidence percentage. Now the best part. Cell 14 connects to a live weather API. It pulls real-time temperature, wind, and the actual daily rain for the Colombo area right now. In cell 15, we feed that live data directly into our AI. It instantly gives us today's exact fishing condition. Finally, cell 16 is my future roadmap. It's a computer vision concept to help fishermen scan the water to find the perfect spot to drop their nets. Now, let's look at the mobile app. This is our home screen. We already have 2.3K active fishermen and a 4.8 star rating. Our mission is get smarter catches, save fuel, stay safer, and free forever. Notice the bottom corners. We have a 24/7 hotline and an AI chatbot available on every page. And this AI voice feature making it hands-free and easy to use on a boat. Also, while this MVP version is in English, so I could perfect the AI. Version 2.1 will include full Sinhala and Tamil language towels. This is the dashboard. Here, fishermen can check daily updates like announcements, fish prices, tides, best fishing zones of the day, and save routes. Crucially for Sri Lanka, I added a fuel pass module. It holds their QR code, remaining quota, refill station, and checks if today is an odd or even fuel day for their boat. Let's start fishing journey. Next, they select an area. They can use their GPS or look at the island map to see which zones are safer or dangerous today. The app then fetches the live weather. Just like we saw in Collab backend, it pulls the temperature, wind, actual daily rain, and sea visibility, showing exactly when it was last updated. Our AI gives a clear go or don't go prediction. Under why this result, it explains exactly how the wind and sea state caused this answer, and it suggests what fish to catch today too. Before starting the trip, there are some safety information. Also, there is a mandatory safety checklist. Life jacket worn, inform someone before going, phone fully charged, emergency contact saved. Let's start trip tracking. At sea, there is no signal, so the app uses offline GPS. It tracks their distance, duration, speed, and direction. If they get into trouble, they can press this big SOS emergency button to instantly message the Navy or Coast Guard. When the trip is done, they click Finish Fishing Today. They enter what fish they caught and their weight in kilos. The app calculates the total automatically and asks for rate in the app, and also asks for feedback to help our AI get smarter. And finally, the app gives a final daily summary. Brings me to the end. The Smart Fish Finder brings modern data science to everyday fishermen. It solves real problems, from saving diesel to traveling safety at sea. Thank you for very much for your time and for watching my presentation.